I am the only person working on this. No one else is working on it. No one else has turned a bolt on this thing. It is all me. When I fucked it up, that was all me. And now I'm fixing it and getting it going. It's all me. So at the moment, I'm just getting all the ignition components out of this one. I'm not going to use any of the original components. So this is the last one. This is the, what was the igniter? Yeah, it's the igniter. That one just, get that. I mean, that igniter might be okay, and I'll come back later, once I get this thing running, I'll come back and test all these other components. If they are running, all well and good. If not, they'll go in the bin. So these are the parts that I've pulled out, I'm not going to use. That's a coil, that's the igniter, that's the fuel resistor, and that's the fuel relay. Alright, here we go. It's something you definitely do not want to do when you're pulling the mass airflow sensor out or disconnecting it. Do not undo these two screws. They're the no-no screws, or the naughty screws, or the uh-oh screws. What you need to do is remove this clip, which will allow the plug to come off. If you undo these screws, you end up pulling this out, which destroys the guts of the mass airflow sensor. Don't lose that. They are almost impossible to get.
Bust it up, ain't no doubt this rig ain't going far. Rusted frame, dying flame sitting in the yard. Little chicks that were slick, but she's long gone. Land Cruiser, just crewing this old song. Get a $1 spin, but it still don't move. Passion, drive, broken pride, what else can I prove? Dusty dash, we got no cash, it's a total wreck. Land Cruiser, sitting here in check. Busted up, fucked up, broke down mess. Land Cruiser, it's nothing but stress. Ain't gonna ride, just this some old tread. Never leave the shed, never leave the shed. Oil stains, busted chains, can't find no relief. Cabin crack, paint is whacked out into my grief. Muffle out, head bow, praying for a spark. The Land Cruiser, stuck here in the dark. Dreams of highways, wild and free, but all it's given is misery. Once a treasure, now a stone. The Land Cruiser, leave it all alone. Bust it up, fucked up, broke down mess. Land Cruiser, it's nothing but stress. Ain't gonna ride, just this a mobile tread. Never leave the shed, never leave the shed.
So that's part of the wiring loom that I want, or one of the wiring looms that I want. I suppose it might be a good idea to disconnect the battery.
Busted up, fucked up, broke down mess. The Land Cruiser, it's nothing but stress. Dusty dash, we got no cash, it's a total wreck. The Land Cruiser, sitting here in shed.
I might be able to reuse this battery box. It's broken there, and it's broken there, which is the normal places they go.
Busted up, fucked up, broke down mess. Land Cruiser, it's nothing but stress. Ain't gonna ride, just this a mobile tread. Never leave the shed, never leave the shed.
So I've got the driver's side of this accessory loom nice and free. It runs across the front of the car underneath that panel which I've taken off. comes into under here and gets a little bit messy. Someone has fucked with this loom at some stage. To get it out, I've got to get it out past this air conditioning pipe. This air conditioning still runs, it's still got gas in it. And that, I think that might have been for driving lights. Looks like it's been spliced in. Rough as guts. So I'm not going to use this loom. So I'm just going to cut it. I don't want it. So this loom runs across the front, down through here, down here, and comes up to the fuse box. It also runs across to the battery, to the alternator, and up into the fuel injectors. Just got to work my way around all of this. I think the charcoal canister is going to have to come out. All right, so that's where we're up to. We've got to get all these looms out of here. Okay, this is for my benefit. That's an earth strap. Runs down here, and looks like it grounds on the bottom of the. Looks like it goes to the coil. That's different. I've got to undo that. Oh shit. Jesus, it's fucking hot. Again. Let's see if we can get this plug out of the alternator. Can't get it like that. There we go. Gotcha. Can't get it like that. Get it like that. For my benefit again, so if we can get a picture in there, there's a nurse strap to the block right there. And the other one, the other side, I don't know if we can see that, runs down here. The main power down to the starter motor right down there. These spider webs. Well, okay, so right now I'm sweating my guts out. I'm going to have a break. But we're getting there. Loom's almost out. Got to win. Got this loom all undone. So all we've got to do now is get it out. Just get it around this air conditioning hose. or pipe, tube, whatever. Okay, so that's a bit of a problem. Not really a problem, not that much of a problem. Sit the camera there. Just need to get this, just wiggle down. Oh, I think this has been taken off for a while. All right, we just need to persuade it a little. Back in the back of the plug, if I can get. Fuck's sake! Let's try that again. Let's get into the back of the clip. There we go. That should wiggle off. Oh, it's a bit fucking tight there. Torch has shit the bed. Create the fucking shits with this in a minute. There we go. Gotcha, fucker. All right, so we should be able to just get all this out now. Hopefully it doesn't catch on everything. Woohoo! First loom out. Oh, that was hard. So the next move is to get this loom set in there. Now I need another rest. Cheers, boys and girls. Oh, it's been fairly productive so far. I'm just going to do a little bit of a doodle around at the moment and make sure everything's right to go in. It's about 9:30 at night and I'm going to try and get a little bit more done on this. Maybe try and get most of this loom installed into this car, but that might not happen tonight. So here we go. I'm starting to feel a little bit weary. And I'm having a couple of quieties too now, so that's going to slow the progress down just a touch. I'll put the coil in. Let's move this out of the way so I don't stand on it before I'm ready to put it in. Well, so that's that earth loop that I pulled out of the other one. I needed to make sure that I knew where it went. So that sort of runs down there like so. So that'll sort of run down there like that. There'll be other cables come up through here. It runs down there, and it just goes from one ground to another. I'm most definitely getting tired. In.
Got a busted up Land Cruiser sitting in the yard. Rusted out fenders and the axle scarred. Paint's all peeling, got a cracked rear view. Welcome to my nightmare, there's a lot to do. Tires, flaps, pancakes, rims are bent and busted. Every time I hit the road, my luck is more rusted. She ain't pretty, but she sure got soul. Rolling down the highway in a jalopy patrol. Welcome to my Land Cruiser nightmare. Fucked up ride, but I just don't care. Busted up out of sight, it's true, but it's my ride and we'll push on through. Engine's coughing, wheezing worse than a smoker. Transmission shot, feels like a joker. Every mile's a victory, ain't that the truth? But it took me to the prom in my misspent youth. Got duct tape on the seats, a patch on the dash. Radio won't work, but we still make a splash. Windows cracked, rear lights in a bind, but ain't no other ride like this one you'll find. Welcome to my Land Cruiser nightmare. Fucked up ride, but I just don't care. Busted up out of sight, it's true, but it's my ride and we'll push on through. Got Duct tape on the seats, a patch on the dash. Radio won't work, but we still make a splash. Windows cracked, rear lights in a bind, but ain't no other
I've got a new
ride like
fusible
this
link,
one you'll
but I don't
find.
think I'm going to bother changing it. This one was working. If it doesn't work, then I'll change it.
Welcome to my Land Cruiser nightmare. Fucked up ride, but I just don't care. Busted up, polished like it's true, but it's my ride and we'll push on through.
That worm's pretty much in. Now that went in surprisingly easy, too easy. So this loom has gone in so easy that I'm just thinking there's something wrong. This one's a lot more stripped down than that one is. So hopefully by the end of the week, this thing will run. It will go vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom. And maybe a little bit more than that too. For all of those who spend squillions of dollars and they've got some little bloke who's gonna work for, I don't know how much he works for, but who's gonna do all your hard work. I pay for it all, I do all the work, and I don't have a heap of mates, or sponsors for that matter, or sponsors shilling out their time and effort and goods and services and money. So yeah, it just is what it is. It's me. All right, see ya.